Welcome to a video tutorial on how to book appointments with NSCC's accessibility services using our new system, Accommodate. You can log into Accommodate through www.nscc.ca or log in through your Brightspace portal. If you are asked to sign in, use your college-issued W number and your college password. When logging in, select Student. You are now on the main page. From the left-hand menu, select Appointments. In the bottom left corner, click the blue button labeled Request New Appointment. You are now on the appointment booking page. Under Appointment Type, select the option that fits your need. If this is your first time meeting with accessibility services, choose Intake Appointment. Optional filters are available to narrow your results. You can filter by day, time, and location. Location options include either in person at a campus or meeting online through Microsoft Teams. Choose the accessibility specialist who is assigned to you. After selecting your accessibility specialist and your preferred availability, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click the blue button labeled Check Availability. On the right-hand side, a list of available times will appear. Click on the name of your student accessibility specialist in the time slot that works best for you. A confirmation window will appear. It will show all of your appointment details. You can type any additional information about your request in the box provided. When everything looks correct, click the blue button labeled Submit Request. You will receive a confirmation email when your meeting has been approved. Your appointment will now appear on your appointments page. If you need to change or cancel the appointment, click the 3 gray dots on the right-hand side of your appointment listing. For more information or support, contact Accessibility Services at your campus or email accessibility.services@nscc.ca.